Mujumbe w'ibunge ya Kitutu Masaba omotike Clive mbane Gisairo litukulia lero nikanyalika bagakwene kiabuna nigaguchikanda kubwatesia abakiwa bonsi ase ebunge yo akubwa muno ase amasomo no koligia chisemi gosemero byabo gose omokia babo koligia chisemi omosike Gisairo nigaliko yakwana iga ase eskuru ya baisike ya Tombe Girls ase gose asabarkiwa bakorwe eskuru ibanyako bakumira na asomo yogoyo litukulia lero
eskuru enene a constituency Vaiseke. It's the biggest school in terms of population. Na iga kerana nyoleto kwa aliganigu to the alumni Sabbath kwa miaka 58 ambayo shule imekuwa hapa na wadarambi yang chesa ngena abana tosasima mona barabu nalitorolenga kitoko sire school eye moso bunatoko chiko transition into the CBC whereby are among the few schools to what all the three pathways. So abana baitu chinyaruka, we are here to motivate them. Nakoba hope. I'm not an alumni of this school.
Can you get the uniform?
Lakini ninche bieka nanyo lete memory correct. Moro chena ombegete uniform. We'll support the school. I'm always here. And any facilities that are short, we'll try to fight through the ministry. Education of Committee on Education. Koranga, our schools get the best in terms of resources na teaching staff. Also, in some way, universities, to a very talk university, and then our universities are coming down. This is a school, like Chief Principal Ateva, it is in the status of a national school. Abana bonsi are accepted here, and whatever support turaru unabara iboro gongoro, we will give it to all our children. Mwana tayo isiko mwana no Kenya. This is our school. This is a Kenyan school.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Tokumorokengo ko nkagaiga akuruko Clive umbane Gisairo, the very able member korwa ase constituency ya Kitutu Masaba. We've been here and we will be here na netanga kabera gaiga pakachinga kichiri tukora korwa aiga ase skuru ya Vaiseke ya Tombe Girls High School. Back to studio.